Hi friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 9th standard. Today we are going to learn about angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is the angle between a horizontal line from the observer and the line of sight of an object that is above the horizontal line. Angle of elevation. Definition. The angle of elevation is the angle above the horizontal line that is an observer must look in order to see an object that is higher than the observer. It is called angle of elevation. What is an angle of elevation? An angle of elevation is an angle with one horizontal arm and one arm above horizontal. Using an angle of elevation is less than or equal to 90 degree. What is an example of elevation? Elevation is defined as the height above the ground or other surface or a place or position of height. An example of elevation is a plane flying about 36,000 feet above the ground. An example of elevation is a battle danced leaping 3 feet in the air. What is angle of sight? Well, basically, if you are looking at something diagonally above you, you form a straight line. The angle that would form if it was a real line to the ground is an angle of elevation. Exact opposite if you are looking diagonally down. The angle between the sight line and the horizon or sky is the angle of depression. How do you find the angle of elevation and distance? Divide the height of the object by the tangent of the angle. For this example, let's say the height of an object in question is 150 feet. 150 divided by 1.732 is 86.603. The horizontal distance from the object is 86.603 feet. Angle of elevation. An angle of elevation is an angle between the line of sight and the horizontal when an observer looks upward. The angle of elevation is always measured by the ground up. It is always inside the triangle. In a diagram, X marks the angle of elevation to the top of the tree as seen from a point on the ground. You can think the angle of elevation in relation to the movement of your eyes. If you are looking straight ahead, then you must elevate your eyes to see the top of the tree. Friends, today we have learned about angle of elevation. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.